war is no longer about who has the biggest army. It is about who has the smartest technology. Imagine a missile that travels so fast, no radar can track it. Imagine a laser beam that melts steel in silence, costing less than a cup of coffee to fire. And imagine a fighter jet that flies itself, deciding who to attack before the pilot even touches a button. This isn't a sci-fi movie. This is a reality of 2026. Welcome back to Global Military Watch. Today, we are uncovering the top 5 most dangerous future weapons that are entering service right now. These technologies are effectively ending the era of traditional warfare. Number 1 on this list is a machine that experts say is actually impossible to stop. Number 5, directed energy weapons. For decades, we saw lasers in movies like Star Wars, but today, they are fully operational on the battlefield. We are talking about systems like the UK's Dragonfire and Israel's Iron Beam. The biggest game changer here isn't just the technology, it is the cost. Firing a traditional interceptor missile can cost up to $2 million. But firing a high-energy laser? It costs roughly $15 per shot. Pause. That is insane efficiency. These weapons work by focusing intense beams of light on drones or incoming missiles, heating them up until their electronics fry, or they physically break apart in midair. They are silent, invisible to the naked eye, and as long as there is a power source, they have infinite ammunition. This is the future of air defense. Number 4, the hypersonic threat. Speed kills. And at number 4, we have the weapon that keeps generals awake at night, hypersonic missiles. We are looking at weapons like Russia's Kinzhal or the American Dark Eagle. These aren't just fast. They are terrifyingly fast, traveling at speeds greater than Mach 5. That is over 1 mile per second. But here's the catch. It's not just the speed. It's the movement. Traditional ballistic missiles fly in a predictable arc, like throwing a stone. Radar can calculate where they will land and shoot them down. Hypersonic missile, however, can change direction while flying at 5 times the speed of sound. This makes current air defense systems, like the Patriot or the S-400, almost useless against them. Major powers are currently in a massive race to master this technology, because whoever strikes first with these wins. Number 3, next-generation main battle tanks. A lot of people said the tank was dead after seeing the drone warfare in Ukraine. They were wrong. At number 3, the tank is evolving. We are seeing the rise of beasts like the Abrams X and the refined T-14 Armada. The old tanks were loud, heavy, and gas-guzzling monsters. The new generation features hybrid electric engines. This is a massive tactical advantage. It allows the tank to operate in silent watch mode. They can sit on a battlefield, fully powered, running their sensors and turrets, without making a sound and with very low heat signature. Combined with AI-assisted targeting that can spot an enemy soldier from miles away, these steel beasts remain the backbone of ground warfare. Number 2, the AI-loyal Wingman. At number 2, the sky is getting crowded. We are entering the era of the AI-loyal Wingman. In the past, a fighter pilot was alone in the cockpit. In 2026, a pilot will fly into battle accompanied by a squad of unmanned drones, like the XQ-58A Valkyrie. These drones are controlled by artificial intelligence. They fly alongside the manned jet, taking orders from the pilot. They can scout ahead to find radar sites. They can jam enemy communications, or, in a worst-case scenario, they can sacrifice themselves by taking a missile hit to save the human pilot. This multiplies the force of an air force without risking human lives. It is no longer a dogfight. It is a swarm attack. Number 1, the 6th-generation fighter. And finally, at number 1, the absolute pinnacle of military engineering. While the world is still impressed by the F-35 and J-20, the United States and coalition forces are already building what comes next, the 6th-generation fighter. Programs like the U.S. NGAD Next Generation Air Dominance and the British-Japanese GCAP are set to rule the skies. These jets look different. Most designs show they have no tail fins, making them practically invisible to radar across all frequency bands. But the real weapon is the computer inside. These aren't just planes. They are flying data centers. They are designed to control the AI drones we just talked about, fire laser weapons, and hack enemy networks from the air. The goal of the 6th-gen fighter isn't just to win a dogfight. It's to kill the enemy before the enemy even knows they're being hunted. From silent lasers to hypersonic speeds, the battlefield is changing faster than ever before. It is clear that in the next war, the soldier with the best microchip might matter more than the soldier with the biggest gun. I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 weapons do you think is the most terrifying? Is it the invisible laser or the unstoppable missile? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please destroy that like button and subscribe to Global Military Watch for more honest and hard-hitting military analysis. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.